According to common belief, breakfast is the most crucial meal of the day. That's so cheesy, isn't it? Despite this, nutritionists and physicians continue to advise patients to eat oatmeal for breakfast first thing in the morning. And as you well know, it is effective. For instance, it can assist in lowering the probability of developing heart disease. In this video, we are going to talk about what happens to your body when you start eating oats every day. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Here are 8 things that happen when you start eating oats every day. Number 8. You'll get better skin. Both the treatment of inflammatory illnesses like eczema and irritation, as well as the promotion of healthy skin, can be accomplished with the help of oatmeal. Because oatmeal contains such a diverse range of vitamins and trace elements, it possesses a number of beneficial qualities that set it apart from other foods. The removal of toxins and other potentially damaging substances from the skin is facilitated by zinc. Also, it successfully constricts the pores and has a renewing impact on the skin. When it comes to the nutrition of skin cells and the saturation of moisture in those cells, iron is one of the most significant nutrients. In addition to reducing swelling and inflammation, manganese has been shown to hasten the recovery of damaged skin following cuts, burns, bruises, and other types of minor injuries. Magnesium has been shown to restore normal blood circulation and to significantly promote the renewal of skin cells. Number 7. Your muscles will receive more protein. Oatmeal provides your body with 15% of the daily necessary amount of protein in just one serving, which is equal to around 8 tablespoons. It is important not to overlook the role that vitamin E, antioxidants, and glutamine play in accelerating the regeneration of muscle fibers. You can try topping your oats with things like almonds, seeds, or Greek yogurt in order to boost the amount of protein that they contain. In addition, you can use oats as the foundation for meals that are high in protein, such as protein bars, protein pancakes, or baked goods made with protein powder. It is important to keep in mind that everyone's requirements for protein are different because of variables such as age, sex, and activity level. In general, the daily consumption of protein by adults should aim to be somewhere around 0.8 grams per kilogram of body weight. Yet, in order to support muscle recovery and growth, athletes and other persons who engage in severe activity may require a greater amount of protein. It is always a good idea to contact a healthcare practitioner or a qualified dietitian in order to establish the appropriate amount of protein for your specific needs. Number 6. High levels of antioxidants. Avenanthramides are anti-itching and anti-inflammatory agents that also help lower blood pressure. They include beta-glucan, which has been shown to bring blood sugar levels down. Their efficacy is improved when vitamin C is present in the environment. It is not entirely coincidental that orange juice and oatmeal are typically consumed together for breakfast. Oats are an excellent source of fiber, protein, and a wide variety of vitamins and minerals. They are a type of whole grain that is very nutritious. Oats also include a range of antioxidants, which are substances that assist to protect the cells in your body from damage produced by molecules in the environment, known as free radicals. Oats are a good source of antioxidants. A category of chemicals known as avenanthramides can only be found in oats and are considered to be one of the most important types of antioxidants in oats. It has been demonstrated that avenanthramides have a lot of positive effects on one's health, including the reduction of inflammation, the improvement of blood flow, and the protection against heart disease. Oats contain a variety of antioxidants, including vitamin E, phenolic acids, and flavonoids, in addition to avenanthramides, which are the primary antioxidant in oats. It has been demonstrated that these substances have a variety of positive effects on health, one of which is a reduction in the chance of developing chronic diseases like cancer, cardiovascular disease, and diabetes. Oats in general are a fantastic source of antioxidants and can be a beneficial component of a balanced diet when eaten in the right amounts. You may make oatmeal with oats, add them to smoothies, or use them in baking as a healthy alternative to refined grains. You can try introducing oats into your morning routine by making porridge with them or adding them to smoothies. Number 5. You'll be full of energy. Because it is high in carbohydrates, oatmeal is a good source of additional fuel for the body. It is recommended that you consume an oat that is slightly dry, since this will cause you to feel full for a longer period of time, hence eliminating the need for further foods. Moreover, B vitamins, which are crucial for the creation of energy, are included in oats. Specifically, B vitamins aid in the body's ability to turn the food we ingest into energy. For example, oats are rich in vitamins B1 and B5. Try including oats in your breakfast routine to increase your energy levels. The traditional morning food oatmeal can be personalized by adding extras like nuts, seeds, fruit, or a dollop of nut butter for more protein and good fats. Furthermore, granola bars and energy balls can be made with oats as a basis. Number 4. You'll lose weight. Oatmeal consumption on a daily basis helps to increase metabolism, which in turn speeds up weight loss. Oatmeal, which is consumed over a prolonged period of time, enables us to avoid consuming an excessive number of calories during breakfast. Because it contains slow carbohydrates, we are able to control our appetite, which in turn reduces anxiety, and we are able to keep our blood sugar levels normal. Because of the nutrients it contains, not only does it speed up our metabolism, but it also stops the buildup of fat and toxins in the body and keeps us from overeating. Number 3. Cholesterol will decrease. Oatmeal, thanks to the linoleic acid and the soluble fiber that it contains, is helpful in reducing the number of triglycerides and the bad cholesterol that is found in the blood. These nutrients clean the remnants of fat from the arterial walls, which protects our body from developing major disorders like atherosclerosis, which can lead to heart attack and stroke. Oatmeal is an excellent source of soluble fiber, which has been shown to assist in lowering levels of LDL cholesterol. Throughout the digestive tract, soluble fiber congeals into a gel-like substance, which then binds to cholesterol and assists in the process of flushing it out of the body. Oatmeal is loaded with antioxidants, including avenanthramides, which have been shown to reduce inflammation and protect against the damaging effects of oxidative stress. Both inflammation and oxidative stress are recognized as potential contributors to cardiovascular disease. It has been demonstrated that eating oatmeal can assist in lowering blood pressure, which is another risk factor for cardiovascular disease. It's possible that the high fiber content and the capacity to enhance blood flow are to blame for this. Oatmeal has a low glycemic index, which implies that it can assist in maintaining normal levels of blood sugar. Because of this, one's likelihood of getting type 2 diabetes, which is a risk factor for cardiovascular disease, may decrease. Number 2. You'll lower your risk of heart disease. Oats are beneficial to the cells of the heart, as well as the circulatory system, because of their high content of helpful lipids. Oatmeal contains a variety of antioxidants, which lowers the risk that free radicals can cause damage to the lining of blood vessels when they come into contact with them. Oatmeal is an excellent source of soluble fiber, which has been shown to assist in lowering levels of LDL cholesterol. Throughout the digestive tract, soluble fiber congeals into a gel-like substance, which then binds to cholesterol and assists in the process of flushing it out of the body. Oatmeal is loaded with antioxidants, including avenanthramides, which have been shown to reduce inflammation and protect against the damaging effects of oxidative stress. Both inflammation and oxidative stress are recognized as potential contributors to cardiovascular disease. It has been demonstrated that eating oatmeal can assist in lowering blood pressure, which is another risk factor for cardiovascular disease. It's possible that the high fiber content and the capacity to enhance blood flow are to blame for this. Oatmeal has a low glycemic index, which implies that it can assist in maintaining normal levels of blood sugar. Because of this, one's likelihood of getting type 2 diabetes, which is a risk factor for cardiovascular disease, may decrease. Number 1. You'll get rid of digestive problems. Because of the positive effects that fiber consumption has on digestion, numerous authorities advocate consuming 25 to 35 grams of fiber on a regular basis. Oats provide 1/5 of the daily recommended value of fiber, even in a relatively small serving size. Because of this, oatmeal is an excellent choice for your daily routine. In addition, the fibers in oatmeal will assist you in ensuring that your digestive tract continues to operate normally, which will keep you from having to exert undue effort. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.